Good morning guys. Well, my morning starts when I wake up, but in these days I'm waking up at around 6:30 to 7 a.m.
Before leaving my bed, I like to do prayer because I want to start my morning with some spiritual vibes. So I always do prayer before leaving the bed. Then I take a glass of water. Well, I don't go out for morning walk. I usually go on my terrace to do morning walk. It's a springtime and I really don't want to miss out the pleasurable atmosphere that I feel in the morning. And it's a quarantine, so I don't have to go at my workplace, so I get a lot of time to walk in the morning. Well, morning is the best time to meditate, but I usually don't do any meditational practices. I just walk on my terrace, don't think too much, and I just feel the fresh air, the greenery, chirping sounds of birds, and the rising sun that make me feel fresh and relax my mind as well as my soul. Now after doing morning walk, I take rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I take brush and get fresh. Then I make my bed and all the stuff that are messy. It's my duty to do these housework like sweeping and mopping, and till then my mom cooks breakfast, I usually cook dinner. Routine sweeping and mopping are getting in positive aerobic activity. You can easily make the activity of sweeping and mopping itself a good workout and get your heart rate up. You can actually burn anywhere from 150 to 250 calories in a single hour of sweeping or mopping the floor. It also helps in anger management, improves concentrations and allergies under control. Well, there are plenty of different benefits that you can get from regularly sweeping or mopping your floor. Now after doing all these activities, I take rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I go for my skincare routine. I generally try to add natural ingredients in my daily face cleanup routine. For cleansing, I mostly use aloe vera pulp or raw milk, and today I'm using aloe vera pulp. Aloe vera has its antibacterial properties that can get rid of almost all type of skin woes. I do it for 3 minutes, then I wipe off my face using wet tissue. For scrub, I'm using half piece of lemon and some sugar. Lemon tightens pores and evens out the skin tone, and sugar removes dead cells, clearing the pores. This scrub helps to maintain a silky and smooth skin. I do it for 2 minutes, then I wipe off my face using wet tissue. For massage, I'm using curd and honey mixture. Combining curd with other ingredients and applying it regularly on face lets you overcome issues such as sunburn, wrinkles and acne. Doing so will leave you with beautiful and healthy and radiant skin. I do it for 4 to 5 minutes. After doing massage, I wash my face using water and wipe off using towel. Lastly, I apply mixture of Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti and curd. It deep cleanses skin, removes whiteheads, blackheads, reduces acne and diminishes pore size. And curd adds blush to the skin. When it gets dry, then I put some water on my face, massage it gently for 1 minute, then wash my face and wipe off using towel. Now after doing all these activities, I take shower and get ready. These are the skincare essentials that I apply on daily basis. Vaseline lip care, BoroPlus body lotion, Lakme peach milk moisturizer and Essential perfume duo spray. It's time to take a healthy breakfast. I mostly eat chapati and vegetable in my breakfast, but then these days I'm eating this sprouts chaat. Sprouted moong is beneficial in relieving the symptoms of anemia, lower cholesterol, decreases the risk of heart disease and help to maintain blood pressure. Adding tomatoes, onions, green chilies, coriander leaves, lemon juice, some salt and some chaat masala make it more tasty to eat. After taking healthy breakfast, I look at my today's plans or tasks that I wrote in my planner in yesterday night. I have created my planner since 6 days ago and trust me, I'm feeling very productive. I am able to complete my task faster than before. I also feel excess relief from stress. I'm able to manage my time as well as able to improve my productivity. It gives me freedom to plan, organize and keep track of any work to the best of my ability. Now let me show you what are in my planner. It's very important to get clear on your goals. Therefore, I have created some columns for my monthly goals like career, money, household, working and self-care goals. Setting plans provides you vision to do action. Therefore, I have created columns for my everyday plans. I have also created some trackers to learn so many things about myself, like mood and expense tracker, achievement and productivity tracker, and habit tracker. It helps me to improve my lifestyle. Now this is very important. I have created columns to decide which books are to read in this month and which books are to complete in this month. So my planner helps me to declutter my task lists and see my priorities. There are some distractors that I try to avoid in morning. I try to avoid my smartphone within 2 hours of waking up. As I check social media, email, or messages right after waking up, my mind gets occupied by others' fueling agenda and not my own. So instead of starting my day proactively focusing on my own goals, I'm being focused to react with other people's stuff. The next distractors are the TV news and the newspaper. In news, mostly we see negative things that while reading and watching this, we are feeding ourselves an overwhelming amount of negativity which affects our thoughts and disturbs our mind. Sometimes it also triggers some memories which are already there in our mind. So I feel better to watch or read news in the middle of the day when I'm busy with other stuff. So these are the stuff that I try to avoid in morning. And instead of using these stuff, I prefer to read some inspirational and motivational books to start my day inspired and motivated. So this was my morning routine. I hope you guys liked my video. So please like, subscribe, share and comment.